Hi! In front of me is REALME C53 and today I would like to show you how you can check saved Google password. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and passwords. Now tap on one of your added passwords that you wish to see and enter your current login method. Following that, just click on this eye icon next to your password. This way you will make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!